Hey you guys, welcome back to another video with Naturally D's collection. So today I am going to show you how to make two beautiful salves. I believe that's how you call them. So I'm going to make a lavender infused one and I'm going to make a candelilla infused one. And I'm going to make it with beeswax, shea butter, and cocoa butter. And I'm going to melt it all into a bowl and I'm going to put them together in these cute little jars. And this salve is perfect for either very chapped lips. It could be for, like, you know, the corner of your hands whenever they get very ashy. They could be for your cuticle area. They could be for a lot of things that need healing or that just need some extra love. Because this weather, it's crazy out here. I live in California and my hands are ridiculous because it's so cold out here. So this will be perfect for any of your needs. You can even use it as a chapstick, even if your lips are not in need. But it'll be actually really good for a chapstick and keep your lips nice and moisturized for the winter. So these salves will be in my they will be in my store at naturallydscollection.com. Please go shop. I have a variety of different things that I believe every girl would love. So please go shop. And you guys, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed already. And again, thank you so much for dropping by, you guys. So let's get right into this video. Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're going to put in some beeswax. Now, I do not have specific measurements for this product, but I eyeball it. I really do eyeball it. So I'm not going to put a lot of anything because I only have 6 small containers. So I think that would be a good enough. So that I would say is about 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons to 3 teaspoons of beeswax. Okay, so next I am going to melt the cocoa butter. Now I just grabbed a little bit of the chips at the bottom because I got my cocoa butter in like big blocks. So this is my cocoa butter. And I would say this is probably about 3 tablespoons. 3 to 4 tablespoons of cocoa butter. Now first I'm going to melt this in my double boiler and I will show you guys right now how I do my double boiler. So as you can tell, I put it on another pot. As I was measuring all of this stuff out, I had this boiling, so when I put it on, it could already start the melting process. So that's that. And as this melts, I'm going to so as this melts, I'm going to put the lavender and the candelilla leaves on the bottom of the containers. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the lavender buds and the candelilla buds on the bottom of these cute little jars. It's almost time for me to put the shea butter in with the beeswax and the cocoa butter. The reason why I decided to do the shea butter a little bit after the cocoa butter and lavender, the cocoa butter and the beeswax was melted was because shea butter melts at a faster melting point, and I do not want it to sit there with the beeswax and with the cocoa butter that takes longer to melt. I don't want it to end up losing the properties that I love of the shea butter. So I decided to put it in once everything is melted because shea butter can melt like that. Okay, so I got the cute little lavender buds. You guys, right now I am just so in love with lavender. Then I'm gonna put a couple of leaves. for the Candelilla wax. And I'm also going to put them on the top. Eli, please stop.
Okay.
Okay, so now that that's set up and looking gorgeous, now it's time to put the shea butter in the with the rest of the concoction. Okay, so now that the beeswax and the cocoa butter is all melted down, I turned off my heat, and I'm just, as you can tell, the water is still bubbling, but that's okay because I still need the shea butter. So now I'm going to get my shea butter. Now this, I just kind of eyeball it. The shea butter, I do put in more shea butter than all the rest of the butters, only because I still want, because cocoa butter and beeswax are two very hard butters, but they are the most, to me, the most, like the best oils for, I mean the best butters for dry skin and just the healing properties that it offers. I absolutely love beeswax and cocoa butter, but shea butter gives you that nice soothing creamy texture that I absolutely love. So I'm try to put shea butter in. I put more shea butter than the rest of the oils that I put in because the other two are so hard. Okay, so now that it's all melted, I am going to transfer this over to the counter to kind of harden up a little bit, and that's when I will test if that's how if the consistency is the way I like it or not. So I decided to add a little bit more shea butter to the mixture, and as you can tell, it's still hot because it's still melting the shea butter. So now I am going to start pouring. And so for the Candelilla ones, I am going to make them plain. So it's just going to be the flowers and the wax, and then lavender I'm going to put for the rest of the wax. I'm going to put a little bit more lavender oil inside of it so you can really smell very good and luxurious lavender scent. Still hot. Still very, very hot, so just wait. You guys, I totally forgot to start the camera when I poured, but this is how they look. They look so beautiful. So this one will end up being mine because it just does not have a lot at all, but these two lavender ones and these three Candelilla ones are going for sale, so go get them at my shop now, you guys. In a little bit, while they dry, I will test mine out, and I will show you guys how it feels and how it looks as it glides onto the skin, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I wanted to show you how this works on the corner of my hand. I'm not quite sure if it's going to show up on camera, but it is a little ashy right here. It's just kind of dry. I'm not sure if the camera's gonna pick it up, but I'm just going to, wrong finger. I'm just going to rub my finger in it. Ooh, where is it? And it just glides right in. It feels so good and it smells like lavender. I just kind of wanted to show you guys how it works. I'm really don't get ashy, but sometimes when I'm at work, like my hands will get very dry and ashy right here. It's been very cold where I live, and I mean I live in Southern California, but it's cold to me and I get ashy right here, and it really does help when my hands get ashy. You guys, if you are interested in buying this Salve, please go to my shop at Naturally D's Collection and I will have it there for sale. And you guys, these would be perfect for the winter time, for Christmas gifts, for just yourself, or just anybody could use this. Honestly, anybody could use this, you guys. So go ahead, shop at my shop, again at Naturally D's Collection. Go follow me on Instagram, same at Naturally D's Collection, you guys. Please like this video, please subscribe if you have not already subscribed, you guys, and thank you again for watching this video. And again, don't forget to shop, and let's try and get this video to 850 subscribers, you guys. Please, let's get to 850, you guys. Alrighty, guys, love you. Bye.